Chin logoywekab emet en koindo kainenyon ko Daisy Langat. Kitaunen logoiwek kole kakolot Governor nebo County nebo Kericho Dr. Erick Mutai, President nebo emoni President William Ruto kosubkei ak kakwautiet nekoib konekit kotech tilyandit nemie en kwenunyin ak kandoindet nebo komasta nechigili serikali Raila Odinga. Kamwa Mutai kole komaimuch kotestai emoni en kasarta nemiten terchinosiek ole en kasaratan kokon kurset koityi kandoik tugul kobun Rift Valley chekikilipan koker kole kanamgei eun akobois en kibagenge asikomuch kotestai serikalit nebo Kenya Kwanza.
And the promises we give our people, we give them the hustler ideology. And Kenyans didn't let us down. They voted us on the premise that will turn around our country. I congratulate the President of this Republic and as county governments. We want to say thank you to the President for leading forward and bringing His Excellency Raila Odinga, because we cannot progress even as government whenever there is chaos. We can only thrive where there is peace and prosperity will result. So by bringing in the national report and all that, the President has managed to cool down the chambers of politics. And out of this, it can give us a refocus on government so that we can deliver for our people. Because Mheshimiwa Sudi and the leaders here, it is not the time, we can't talk politics all the time. But the multitude of these people who are here, they are not so sure of what they are going to eat tonight. So I'm going to come a few Leo Governor Chelele is the governor. And God has blessed him there. And he knew why. It is my goal to be a check. Que le county se church wagati munda itoria kuma COVID kirele agotido. Ongete mwin akutama mi amite chime kebe bonsu. Age ngolol jige suma gibi kege der liwe maraki atuna.